Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to add new account on Microsoft OneNote. So if you also want to add new account on Microsoft OneNote, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open OneNote application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here I'm already logged into my account. Once you open the OneNote application, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Initially, you'll be in the home interface. So adding the account on Microsoft OneNote is very simple. For that, all you have to do is tap on the profile icon that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the account interface. Over here you'll be able to find the option for settings, help and support, send feedback to Microsoft. At top you'll be able to see your account over here. If you want to add the account, it is very simple. Right over here you'll be able to find the option for add account. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here you'll have to sign into new account. You might be able to see the Microsoft account over here. If you see the account, simply tap on it. Otherwise, you'll have to enter the email, phone number or Skype name. Here I'm just going to tap on this account. Now another account will be added to Microsoft OneNote. So that is how you add another account on Microsoft OneNote. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.